Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're here at the Latrobe store. Bonus points if you can guess my Starbucks drink. We'll send you a free t-shirt. Shoot us an email with your address if you guess it right in the comments. Behind me, we've got a Z06. This came to us all the way from New York. He brought the car and a trailer. The trailer's getting ceramic coated. This is getting a full wrap with PPF and a ceramic coating. Tremendous car. We're going to try to do a more in-depth video of this. It's been a while since we've done something like that for you guys. Besides it's an AMG, this one got a ceramic coating inside and out. A lot of people don't realize that you can coat the interiors, but you can. This Corvette is here for a ceramic coating also. Got matching vets, one Z06, one C8. In front of that, the Corolla GR. We get all the enthusiast cars. We don't get normal Corollas, we get the GR. Just kidding, we do normal Corollas too, but it is cool that we get the fun ones. This one had a vinyl wrap on it that needed removed. We took that off. We need to get a final cleanup on it. It's ready to go home. On the lift, Damari and Caleb are currently working on paint protection film on a BMW. This is getting a track package. Our tint team has already tinted the windows, as well as the full windshield and a visor on that. And Mr. Lopez, quite possibly the most experienced man in the shop when it comes to detailing cars. He is polishing and ceramic coating this, what is this thing, a Traverse? Equinox? They keep changing them. Traverse. Between the two Jimmys, we got more experience with these two guys polishing paint than I think half the state. And then in the wash bay, we've got Aiden working on an annual inspection for a 4Runner. In the tint bay, we have a Charger Scat Pack, I think. Here for tint, too dark in the front. Removing the front two, retinting them. Outside, we've got a pair of Escalades. One just pulled in. It's our friend George. We're doing, I believe, an annual inspection on that one. Next to our other friend Ed's V. What a great car. That'll be my next family mobile. Probably that exact one. He goes through cars like crazy. We'll probably end up buying that one. But beautiful car. It got full wrapped in PPF a year ago. It's here for an annual inspection. Go over the PPF, as well as I think a taillight had to get replaced under warranty, and so we have to retint that taillight, and so that's why it's here. And this big, beautiful trailer is what the Z06 arrived in. They traveled hundreds of miles for us to do the car because they said we are the best. We appreciate the confidence in us. We really do try to be the best, and we hope that we fulfill that. The trailer is also getting ceramic coated, so car's getting wrapped and coated, trailer's getting coated. Our flat glass mobile is here. Dean's usually out tinting homes and offices all day, every day. We've got a rare glimpse of Dean in the wild and a C8. This one's here for PPF, PPF warranty. There's an area on the hood that is lifting. We're gonna go ahead and make sure we get that taken care of under warranty, as we always do. Always stand behind our product and our work. Let's see what's happening at all the other stores.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Next in line for a full wrap is this BMW X6. This is in from our friends at P&W BMW, and it's getting a stealth conversion. So all of the accent pieces, all this gloss black in the front is going to remain black. All of the gray painted areas are going to be wrapped in XPEL Stealth. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Chevy Silverado. This got a full paint correction and a 4-year ceramic coating. Back in the tint bay here, we got Red doing fronts on a Kia Telluride. This is getting 20% on the 2 front doors to match the factory tint. In the wash bay is a Nissan Titan. We coated this vehicle a couple weeks back, and it's in the shop today for its 2-week wash and inspection. Back in the PPF bay, we got Steve doing some touch-up on this Golf R. This is getting a full wrap, just heating some edges on it. Earlier in the week, we tinted all the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR Series tint. And once these guys wrap up the PPF, Mark will get his hands on it for an 8-year ceramic coating. Up on the lift, we have a Tesla Model Y. This is getting a customized package. So it's getting a full front clip, bumper, hood, fenders, and mirrors, along with the 4 doors in their entirety. We have also tinted the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint.
Today, Flat Glass Man has an interesting project going on behind him with these fun architectural shapes at this house up at Indian Lake in Pennsylvania. The customer is looking to cut down on glare, block some heat, but not totally lose all the natural light coming through. So on these portions above the doors, we're using XPEL's Evening View 25 to give them that happy medium combination of all those things. Thanks, guys. See you next time.
Hey, guys. Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
In the PPF bay, we have this Rolls-Royce Dawn. It's in for a full body paint protection film in our Ultimate 8. Here in the tint bay, we have the guys working on 2 different vehicles. Here we have Alfredo working on this F350 that's in for 2 fronts in our XR Black to match the rears. I have this Model Y that's in for 1 window replacement. Had a small scratch on it, and we're taking care of that for the customer. Here we have this 911 Targa that's in for a full front and full window tint in our XR Plus. Here we have a 911 Carrera S that's in for full front in our paint protection film, as well as a 55% all around in our XR Plus. Here we have this 911 Carrera GTS cab that's in for 20% all around in our XR Plus, 70% windshield.